On my agenda for today is also to make some teriyaki chicken. I'm going to be using chicken thighs, and these are skinless, but they're bone-in. And I'm also going to be using a prepared teriyaki sauce. Teriyaki sauce actually is very easy to make from scratch, but since I had this bottle, I decided just to use it instead. I could have made my own teriyaki sauce. It's just a combination of soy sauce, water, some sugar form, ginger, garlic, and you can cook it, add some cornstarch to it to thicken it up if you want to, or just use it plain. I decided just to go along with prepared from the grocery store and make these teriyaki chicken thighs. Join me. One of the first steps I'm going to make in preparing this teriyaki chicken is to marinate it. And I'm just going to take the whole thigh and put it in a Ziploc type bag. Get all of them in here. And then just pour. Ooh, that's a huge thigh. Look at that. Oh my gosh. These thighs have already been trimmed, and a lot of the fat was already removed. And I just purchased this at the grocery store. Okay, so I have my teriyaki sauce. And you can get any brand of teriyaki sauce. This just happened to be the one that I picked up. Large bottle, and the price was right. And you pour just enough teriyaki sauce in the bag so that you can coat the thighs. We're going to try to get as much air out of the bag as possible, thereby making it easier for the thighs to come in contact with that marinade. And I probably poured less than a cup in there. And I'm going to put these in the refrigerator and rotate them intermittently during the marination period. And then we'll put them on the grill. I've got a tray with a rack on it, and I'm going to be putting my chicken thighs, my marinated chicken thighs, on this rack. And I'm going to start out with putting them bone side down. You can tell by the way they look that a lot of that flavoring has penetrated. And I'm going to take the tray and put it on my grill on indirect fire, meaning that I'm not going to put it over the open flames. I'm going to put it to the side so that it will cook as if in an oven. And we'll take this outside and put it on the grill. The liquid that's left in the bag, I'll have to throw away. I can't use it. And two reasons being that, number one, raw chicken was in there. And number two is if I heat it up, there's some proteins from the chicken that are going to be in there, and it's going to make it a foggy looking, opaque looking marinade. We don't want that. We want to keep it clean looking. My direct heat source is in this area, and this is indirect. Chicken has been in here for about a half an hour. I've got to rotate the tray. And that way I get a more even distribution of heat over the thighs. I'm going to also baste it with some more of that teriyaki marinade. To add a little moisture in there. So far they're looking quite good. Looking quite good. We'll come back in a little bit and check on them. And actually temp probe them, see where we are in this cook. The temp probe, it's up to 130. So I'm going to flip them over to the other side and put some more teriyaki sauce on them. And they've got a ways to go though. So we'll get there. Pretty hot over here. I'm getting ready to rotate the chicken around again. Note to self, Sylvia, you need to get some better gloves to make it easier for you to manipulate this thing. In addition, I'm going to put some more teriyaki sauce on here. I'm going to temp probe it also to see where we are in this cook. I don't think we're there yet. No, we're only 145 on that one. 139, 140. So we do have a ways to go. And we're still waiting for the chicken to come to temp. Where are we? Way off. It's a long cook. It's been on here for 2 hours, but I'll keep it going.